Hi, this is Marcia, and today I'm going to be talking about my poster session for ISTE 2020 at 1:30 p.m. on December 1st. This poster session is going to talk about the 3 phases of blended learning. Alright, let's give you a quick little overview about what this poster session is going to be about. My name is Marcia Kish, and I'm a blended learning coach. I work with schools all across the country, helping them to implement blended learning. Now, more than ever, schools are reaching out to us to help teachers figure out ways to engage students to allow them to work their own pace, place, and path. With our 3 phases of blended learning, we walk through that. We show the teachers how to get started in a hybrid, live stream, or even in a traditional blended learning classroom. Phase 1, we'll talk more about this when you come to our poster session, but phase 1 is just getting that, what we call the training wheels, where the students come in, the teacher gets them into this routine of learning on their own. So the teacher will meet with them in a small group instruction, then they'll travel to independent practice, then they'll travel to digital content where it's mimicking what the teacher's doing in that small group. Then they'll finish up their day with a hands-on learning opportunity. This phase 1 allows the teacher to train the students on how to just understand the use of time and to move from one studio to the next. Phase 2, my favorite. I call it the magic sauce. Phase 2 is where the students and the teachers have a checklist. This checklist will tell them what they need to do from the beginning of the week to the end of the week, or even that day. So the students will get a checklist to say, okay, attend a mini lesson. Then they'll go and they'll travel to pick another one, and maybe they'll do the digital content next. Then they'll go to independent practice. What's really impressive about this phase 2 is that we're really building in that student ownership. Our engagement goes up and our behavior goes down. Phase 2 is by far the best part of the 3 phases of blended learning, which then moves to my phase 3. Phase 3 is that one step away from becoming that personalized learning environment. Phase 3 allows the learner to take ownership of their learning. We're going to add in project-based learning. We're going to customize each individual checklist. I know, you have 125 students. How does that work? Don't get stressed out. We have tips and tricks to help you with individualizing and customizing their individual plans. The students who went in there in phase 3 don't even realize that they are learning because it's all based off of their passion and their interest. It's one baby step away from personalized learning. Please make sure you mark your calendar for December 1st at 1:30 p.m. to join me, Marcia Kish, as we explore the 3 phases of blended learning. Oh, and did I mention that we're going to give away prizes? One of the best things about ISTE is the poster sessions. You learn so much, you get to talk to people, but there's always prizes. So we are going to give away prizes on the December 1st at 1:30. So make sure you mark your calendar. You never know, you could walk away with a free workshop, a certification course, or some really cool merch. All right, guys, we'll see you on December 1st at 1:30. Mark your calendars.